Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into what could be the best postcard paper for printers available in the market, the Avery Printable Postcards with Sure Feed technology. If you're someone who frequently sends out promotional advertisements, product instructions, thank you cards, or any other type of mailers, you know how important it is to have the right paper that can handle printing without any hiccups. That's where Avery's printable postcards come into play. These postcards boast a heavyweight 80 pounds, 216 GSM uncoated white cardstock, specifically optimized for laser printers. What does this mean for you? It means crisp, smudge-free printing every time. Now, let's talk about reliability. Avery incorporates their proprietary Sure Feed technology into these postcards, ensuring a more reliable feed through your laser printer. Say goodbye to misalignments and jams, and hello to smooth, hassle-free printing. But it's not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. These postcards feature a micro-perforated design, allowing for easy separation and leaving you with a clean, professional finish. No more rough edges or messy cuts. And here's the best part. You get 100 blank 4x6 rectangle cards in each pack, meeting U.S. postal regulations for postcards. That means no envelopes required, just address, stamp, and mail away. Whether you're a small business owner looking to create eye-catching promotional materials or simply someone who loves sending out personalized cards, the Avery Printable Postcards with Sure Feed technology are here to make your printing experience seamless and stress-free. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy printing!